across the valley. This is Good Day Sacramento.
Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. This is a show that'll take your Monday blues away. It's called Good Day Sacramento. Thanks for joining us. No matter what's going on in your
palm
life.
fruit, we've seen, heard that, palm oil, coconut oil are bad, that we should be avoiding
A lot of misconceptions about palm oil. In fact, the reason palm gets a bad rap is that palm has a higher amount of saturated fat, but it also has an even greater amount of the mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Some of the most recent studies have shown that palm fruit can actually help to lower cholesterol levels. And I brought some foods with me today that have the Malaysian palm fruit oil, which is really the leader in the food innovation, the Smart Balance, the margarines, the peanut butter, also the Nutella. This is a palm oil which is great to saute your summer vegetables in. This Malaysian palm oil is full of antioxidants. It's also resistant to damage by heat, and it doesn't lose its nutritional value. And what's really exciting is the NIH has funded research on the antioxidants of tocotrienols in palm oil, showing that it can reduce damage after a stroke. So that's very exciting with the palm oil.